Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make chicken pie. Please make sure you watch this video to the end, and if you have not subscribed, make sure you do so. First, I'll start by making the filling by adding oil in the pan and chopped onion. So I'll leave this to fry for some minutes before adding chopped chicken breast. You can use any chicken part of your choice. Now keep stirring and add one seasoning cube, curry powder, thyme and nutmeg. Now I'll leave it to fry for 2 minutes so that the chicken juice will be out. At this point, I will add now the chopped carrot and salt and leave it to fry for 1 minute before adding water. After adding water, I will leave it to cook for about 3 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour and water. You can use cornstarch. This will help thicken the filling. The filling is ready. I will just go ahead to make the dough. This is all-purpose flour. I'm using 370 grams, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of salt, 170 grams of butter, and I will mix together. The secret of crunchy chicken pie is butter, so make sure you use enough butter. At this point, I will start adding water bit by bit. You need to be careful not to add much water. I will mix and roll out the dough, cut it out, and add the chicken filling. I will just be repeating the same process. At this point, if you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscription button down below. I will egg wash it with egg and milk. You can use just egg. At this point, I will transfer it to oven and leave it to bake for about 25 minutes. And that is it, guys. If you enjoy watching this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and leave a comment down below of what you like to be seen in the next video. Thanks for watching.